Maybe 3-4 hours, maybe. Maybe not. Jeez.
Sometimes they cross quite a while.
Maybe 3-4 hours, maybe. And then he
gets all
he's
mad.
like, maybe not. Jeez, boy.
Was that like per hour?
The phone is the best
Resting.
thing that's ever
That's
happened to
resting
me.
on that 2x4 that's just barely floating on top. Dude, it's like it's barely. It's got like it's touching by this
Rustin.
much.
What's up?
I don't want the.
No, he's on the 2x4 and it's touching by
the
this
sock.
much.
The sock is for the window.
Oh,
There's two of them.
here, hold that one.
Just drop it.
What was he doing with them?
He was cleaning up all the caulking.
I thought you said you wanted to clean me the white, caulking stuff.
Because we'll never be up there to clean it. It's gonna get, like water spots, but at least.
Ah! Son of a bitch! Was that the bitch? Rustin, I don't like you up there, dude.
That's just solid gold.
Oh my gosh. Okay, let's get this over with, please.
Here.
That's not. That's
Earl.
good enough. Here, I can clean it.
I'm in the money.
Eric.
I'm in the
Eric,
money.
come in the cabinet.
Ah,
Eric.
dee 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 dee. No beans, no beans. Lots of beans.
Hey, Russ, we're gonna have to move the
I'm
laundry
not giving him the
list.
bit until he's ready to screw.
No,
How about
no
this?
bit. Listen, you son of a bit. Give me the bit.
Dude, that is not very stable.
Wait, we're solid.
Yeah, come down, John.
Come down
We
now.
have to move anyway, so just come down.
Just have them hop over.
Just kind of.
No, get down now.
Get down now.
You're gonna die.
No broken bones.
I don't like the middle. That feels like.
Jeez, that thing. It's like. Oh, the angle is. Is this supposed to do that?
It's a little giant.
What, this?
Yeah, it's like bitten backwards, and this is barely. Did you see that?
I see some of it.
This is the little giant. This is worked on every single window.
It's actually on the window right now.
No scaredy cat.
That would be worse. Window breaks at the very end.
No.
Okay, guys, you're right. Here. Oh, we're not moving it.
That's firm film.
Is that not gonna go that way?
That's solid gold. He's holding it.
Oh, good or no?
Solid.
You have a very loose definition of solid gold. A shaky 20-foot ladder that could fall in any second. Solid gold. I mean, to me, solid gold would be like, oh yeah, you're on the ground, a great base. It's not like, I mean, look at that thing bend.
Let's just tweak a little bit.
Hey, Rustin, just bring it this way.
We're fine. There.
No, it's going.
Joe,
It just slid over. I
Come
went
down.
the foot.
come down.
Listen, Chuck.
He's gonna dig a hole.
That needs to go. The whole bottom needs to move to that way a foot or
Dig
so.
right here. Dig a little bit. Dig right here. But
No,
perfect.
no, shh, shh,
No death.
No, Dad.
Yeah, if he's up here, maybe make that hole a little deeper. We'll just take care of two birds with one stone after he falls.
What? Whoa! We'll start sticking it back in.
You're good there. That's solid.
That's
I wish you guys could see the angle of the ladder from straight down it like this.
Well, wait till I get right here. Watch.
Wait, yeah. That ain't right.
Oh man. Oh, I hate everything.
Hey, Little Giants worked on all aspects. Nobody's ever been killed.
You're gonna go down with a smile.
It's worked until now.
You can get this
What's that?
when you get the call.
So you're gonna need to have a little bit better.
Oh, I'm getting the call.
Ready?
Wait, you gotta cock it.
Cock it.
We're obviously gonna move it over, Ryan, but that side needs to be cleaned. And that side.
You turn around somehow.
That window and that window need big time cleaning.
Which ones?
The right and left. Far outside.
No beans.
No beans.
Chuck, do you rip one?
No. Rip one from up here? Jeez.
Why do you think I walked over there?
Why do you think I walked over? Or whatever Eric
I'm
Lee's
outta
saying. That's a good boy.
It's for some reason, man, those eggs for breakfast when I'm camping, this ain't right.
Did they set your system to gold? Solid gold?
It turns to something, I'll tell you that much. Just need a window cleaner.
It reaches set.
No beans.
Really? Quick, Ron, can't tell ya! Oh, it's sure fake, but there's no mouth.
Let me do this.
Really didn't want to know.
I got the whole.
Just have an iron sword. Hey, they just in the windows that they're having, you know.
No.
Bring your own scaffolding.
No beans.
On the sock?
Good. Solid gold.
Yeah, come down, Philip, Chuck.
I'm good. Ladder's actually way sturdy. Just gonna saw it. It'll be gold.
You can hold it?
No, we good.
Beans. Chuck, if it does fall, what's the best chance of survival?
Probable's great. Because if it's tipping that way, it's gonna be on the ground. I shoot it off and I hit it into your truck. If it goes this way, I get onto that board, I shimmy down, right into the cabin door.
You're not a monkey like.
In fact, what I'm gonna try to do is I'm gonna go, I'll jump, get on that board, I'll do a triple axle and land on your truck. Uh-oh, where's the bit?
Earl has
There
it.
you go.
Earl won't give it to you until we're done. Until we're ready.
If it slides, the best chance is just to hold on that way.
My buddy was doing Christmas lights
Yeah.
way up high, fell down.
Watch back.
No, he went down and he did a somersault. He tweaked it, but he went like as high as this. It's like my roof. He went down and he's like, crap! And then
Crap, I'm in a
he
somersault.
hit and he did one of those like gently rolls. No problem.
Do you do parkour?
Gently rolls.
Well, people jump off a high building.
That's the tricky part, the gently roll.
Yeah, if it's controlled. I'd believe it.
We're gonna try some of that really quick. Well, you can't way back here though, right? Because the window was too far.
On my side, that's enough.
I can't really tell where it was hitting.
No beans.
Try it.
Try it.
There wasn't a whole lot that came off, but I don't think it needed a lot, right?
How far was it on the? It was a ways over, but
It just needed to go this way, and the fin was hitting some of this. Yeah.
Okay, Chuck.
What's up?
Wanna hold the ladder?
Hold it, yeah. Got it.